Hey, what's up, everyone? So thanks for tuning in. I went ahead and already grabbed my heat gun, took out the damage here, heated it from the outside, pushed it back up, and then I went ahead and loosened up the grill. Looks like some of the tabs have been glued on, so I can't fully take the the grill apart. Although that's what I did want to do, so it'll stay like this. This is enough for me to mask it off, and now I have to just sand a little bit here, sand some of the scuff areas, and we should be done. I don't even have 2 hours working on it, I believe, maybe about an hour and a half, and everything looks to be going pretty smooth. So the next step would be to start sanding all the scuff marks. So I would go ahead and start getting all of that nice and sanded down. So so the scuff marks will be good, and then I can actually start repairing from the bottom side of the repair for the actual structural part of gluing the parts together, like the tears at the bottom on the driver lower side where there's an actual tear. I would glue that from the bottom and then put some staplers with the new Hotspot by Polyvents, the stapler. I'll use that, and other than that, that's it for today. Once I glue all of that down, I'll just put filler on the outside of it, and I should be good. So just using some old 220 and just touching up, sanding some of the areas that have a lot of scuff marks here on the front side. And over that, I'll just add some, I'll scuff some of the other areas up, and then I'll add some primer. I'll probably add some filler in these little areas because it's got a lot of got like some rock chips in there. So those are good areas to probably hit up with some primer. This is the plastic parts epoxy. It's actually specifically for like bumpers, because TPO is like a plastic that bumpers have. One of the many plastics that bumpers have. So get some filler, and I got my trusty tape on the hardener. And I'll just mix up a little small batch of filler to add on the bumper. What I'm going to do is tape off some areas that I don't want any slop. So I don't want any bondo on this area. So just gonna fan down the filler with some 180 on the shallow areas, and then 80 down here. Switching over to 180.